This is a tractor doing second plow. So he said they will come back for harrowing tomorrow. Yeah. So as you can see, the tractor is harrowing. He's doing second plowing, but they will come back for the harrowing tomorrow. Yeah. You see now the land is very fertile. As you can see, all the stumps has been break down. As you can see, the ladies too are doing grading. See the operator is doing harrow. Sorry for wrong comments. The tractor is doing second plowing. Yes, that is second plowing. So as you can see, the operator is working very hard. So remember, the tractor will come back tomorrow for the harrowing. Thank you.